Hi, I'm Sara Wynn, and I serve as the office manager here at Vector Systems. My role centers around keeping our operations running smoothly by supporting logistics, functionality, and for all of our locations. Right now, we have 2 active locations, and as we continue to grow, we're preparing to support our 4 locations in 2026. That growth means careful coordination, clear communication, and a strong organization to ensure that every team has what they need to succeed. A big part of my role is making sure that the offices function efficiently from day to day. My goal is to create an environment where people can focus on their work without any distractions. I help organize the monthly company events, and I support the creation of our company newsletter so everyone stays engaged in what's happening in Vector Systems world. One of the exciting milestones that I'm working on is our move to Bottom. Relocating and expanding takes a lot of planning, and I'm proud to help make that transition as seamless and smooth as possible. When our offices run well, our people can do their best work, and that's what I strive to support every day. Thanks for taking a moment to learn about what I do.